As you're aware that we have put up 2 committees specifically to look into the Khasi Jaintia and the Garo tribe.
Kapakin bakindan scientifically mo kinda bet we kita theory kinda pensyon nung rin na kita theory kita pair komno banla man say ya ka taka sa phang thamai jong yu khasi kan jin ta phak chipon he
Dao Chief Minister ni deng thang man cha program thari nga pa chokmadan research program achakrang ni aru khasi rang ni wamang ni ma ambi ko sandhina gata takani kamera skang pade ongpa anthropological perspective ko bagen yang angane naka achak jat aru khasi jat dia sunguni mancha ibaha dia sungu wamang sungdung chingachim warangko sandi ni yarangko tikana gata mangen geni para jatni itihas ni geman panoni mai take aba chingachim aba chingone man sang jang mangba matna depet jatni itihas ko wina gata nambati wina gata aru okni wina gata aru wa wiachi maiba nambatata ni rangko ban maiba ongija segem rangko ba chanchia rang donga ngodi warangko nambatatna gata mangen ya le chanchia
and do a detailed research including DNA mapping, including different linguistic linkages, cultural linkages to document different aspects of both the Khasi Jaintia tribes and the background and also for the Garo community.
We stand before the media today to raise an issue of constitutional urgency affecting every child in East Jaintia Hills district. Through public notices, the district administration has initiated the Census 2027 house listing operation by deploying government school teachers as enumerators during active school hours. Let us be absolutely clear, while census duty is legally permitted, its current execution raises serious constitutional concerns. Under Article 21A of the Constitution of India and Section 27 of the Right of Children to Free and Compulsory Education Act 2009, such deployment must not disrupt classroom teaching or violate prescribed teacher-student ratios. In a district like East Jaintia Hills, where many schools are already critically understaffed, therefore removing teachers during school hours directly weakens classroom functioning and compromises the quality of education. This is not a theoretical issue, it is happening on the ground. And at the same time, the government of India has sanctioned 11,718 crore for Census 2027. With such substantial allocation, there is a clear opportunity to engage and train dedicated civilian enumerators. This would not only reduce dependency on teachers, but also create meaningful short-term employment for local youth. We are also concerned by the lack of ground-level preparedness for self-enumeration in rural areas. There has been no visible outreach through local institutions, no structural awareness in regional languages, and no accessible support system for digitally excluded communities. And as a result, many households risk being left out of the process entirely. We have been informed that this matter is being forwarded to the state level. However, it must be emphasized that implementation and deployment decisions at the district level remain within the administrative responsibility of district authorities. And this is not merely an administrative concern. It directly impacts the educational rights and future of our children. And we urge the district administration to review the current approach, especially the timing and extent of teacher deployment, and to explore alternative manpower solutions that ensure education is not disrupted. Thank you.